What's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're doing well, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Ecash XEC token, guys. XEC token are going positive in the market, and a lot of people are now investing in a Ecash, guys. You know what, guys? Why a lot of people are investing in Ecash? Because the changes of Ecash is now going positive, guys, and now they start pumping. And I hope, guys, that for a long time Ecash will continue this jump, guys. Anyways, now before discuss more about Ecash, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. Guys, right now price of Ecash in the market is about 0.0002308 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Ecash XEC token, guys. Now, guys, at this time you can see here, if we talk about the changes occurred in the Ecash, so now positive 8.41% positive changes occurred in the Ecash in the market, guys. The changes of Ecash are absolutely going very positive in the market, and very soon, guys, Ecash will make you millionaire if you hold for a long time, guys. Same like that, you can see here the trading volume are also going very positive, fully diluted market cap positive, market cap also positive, guys. So every change occur in a Ecash are now going positive, guys. So it's time to hold, guys. It's time to buy more and more Ecash, guys. Now you can see, guys, absolutely in the previous time, for some time the price of Ecash are dumb, but in the latest situation from here, from this point, Ecash again start jumping, guys, and higher possibilities, guys, that they continue this jump for a long time, guys. You know what, why the price of Ecash pump? Because due to the last half month, as I told you guys in my previous videos, that in the last half September, higher possibilities that they continue this jump, guys. So now they're in the pumping mood. Enjoy it and click the subscribe button for more update videos.